Amy, a biologist at Pacific Shellfish Institute, and I'm down here at Budd Inlet collecting a SoundToxins sample. SoundToxins is a phytoplankton monitoring program that's run by NOAA and Washington Sea Grant and Department of Health. It involves folks all over Puget Sound collecting weekly samples to screen for harmful algal bloom species, the ones that produce biotoxins, in an effort to protect human health and safety. So let me show you how we do it. Okay, to get started, the first thing we want to do is we want to fill out our SoundToxins data entry sheet. So we want to make sure we have our location, Budd Inlet Port Plaza. We want to know the date and the time and what the weather is doing. We also want to collect information using this YSI probe here to collect things like the water temperature, salinity, pH, and oxygen. And this is our plankton net. So 20 micron holes in this mesh, and you lower it down into the water and you put it down 3 meters. Pull it to the surface and unscrew the base. Go ahead and pour it in the jar. There, and you can see all that plankton soup. Hello, so here I am back at the office. This is the microscope I'm going to be using. It's an Olympus inverted scope. And I have our live sample, and I have a little tiny vial of sample that we've preserved in an iodine solution so it doesn't decompose. And I've loaded 0.1 mils, essentially 1 drop, onto this counting chamber. And now I'm going to look at it under the microscope. Now under 200 magnification, I scan the sample and write down all the species that I see and look for harmful algal bloom species. I've got Coscinodiscus. Lots of Serratium fusus and Cattoceras right in the center there. There's Pseudonycha, that's one of our harmful algal bloom species. And right there, Dinophysis, we've got one of those as well. So we do that for the whole sample, and then we convert everything to cells per liter, and we enter all of our data into the SoundToxins database, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.